Hi dear, how are you? I'm Shakeel Akhtar. So in this gig, I want to talk to you about our electrical services. So firstly, we will have coordination and dimension layer plan, in which you will see all the electrical fixtures like data, switches, wall light and CCTV, sockets, public address, all the details in one drawing with dimensions. So with the help of this drawing, you will understand which electrical fixtures will be placed. Another drawing we will have, that is lighting wiring layout plan, in which you will see the lighting circuits which is coming from the panel, and lights wiring which is coming from switches to light. Another drawing we will have, that is power circuits, in which you will see the circuits of the power, which one is the dedicated circuits. Another drawing we will have, that is network, public address and CCTV system layout plan, in which you will see telecommunication and low voltage electrical fixtures in one drawing. If you want to take my interview for your electrical work, for consultancy, so I am available for your interview, for your information, for your requirement. So please don't hesitate to ask any question. Thank you so much.